Morning viewers, welcome to Zero Fear Math. Let's discuss about Google today. We all use Google every day, but have you ever stopped to wonder that what does the word Google actually mean? No, nobody has done so. It is not just a catchy brand name. In fact, it comes from a mathematical idea so huge that it is almost impossible to imagine. A Google is a word which means the number one followed by 100 zeros. Initially, the name was like GOOGOL. It is 10 to the power 100. This term was coined by a 9-year-old boy, Milton Sirota, the nephew of mathematician Edward Kastner. It was meant to describe a large number, it's practically beyond comparison. When Larry Page and Sergey Brin were building their search engine in late 90s, they wanted a name that reflected their mission to organize an unimaginable amount of information. They chose Google, GOOGL. But when they're registering the domain, a small spelling error turned into Google. It turned into GOOGLE in place of GOOGOL. And that happy accident became history. The name was not just clever, it symbolizes ambition. Google mission was and still it is to organize the world's information and make universally accessible and useful. A name born from infinity for a company chasing infinite knowledge. Today is far more Today Google is far more than a search engine. It powers Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Android, and even artificial intelligence. When it started as a student project in a dorm room, has grown into a global ecosystem that touches nearly every part of our digital lives. And the fun fact is, the very first Google servers were housed in a Lego case. Yes, the Lego bricks prove that even the biggest ideas can write and can start with something playful. So the next time when you Google something, remember that you are not just searching the web, you are tapping into a dream that began with a number too big to imagine. That was Goggle, GOOGL. Thank you. If you like this information, kindly subscribe the video and share with your known ones. Thank you.